Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to The Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. It's great to have you here on this very, very, very special day. Why is it special? Well, you're about to find out why it's special. We've been doing our YouTube show now for 4.5, 5 months. And today, for the very first time, we've achieved it. We are a monetized professional channel. We're very, very excited by that news. We've worked really, really hard for it. And I say we because it's my community that have done this. We've been together every weekday other than October. October we couldn't be here. We were refurbishing the studio. But we've been live here every single weekday since then for 5 months, many hours a day, plugging at it, and we've done it. We've now achieved it. We are now a monetized channel. You watching the channel right now, if you come on in, you should have just seen a commercial and skipped it, and hopefully you'll be with me right now. Did you all see the commercial? Come into the live chat. Just waiting for everyone to come in for the first time. If you're watching me over there on TikTok, you're missing the show. You need to be here on YouTube. This is where I'm able to give away free Bitcoins, where I'm able to give away free stocks. This is where I'm able to give away all kinds of wonderful things here on YouTube. The link is behind the profile here. Just come on in. Just click the icon here and come on into the show. You need to be here on YouTube. Good morning, Peter Brazier. Good morning, Cameron Keane. Good morning, Bill. Did you all see the commercial? Did it pop up this morning? Did you all see it? Did it show up in the did it show up in the chat? Let's get straight into the trading screen. Let's get straight into it. You may have noticed as well, we're testing something out this morning. We are broadcasting in a much higher resolution as well. Has anybody noticed that? Have you noticed we're broadcasting in 4K? Hi, Ampadu, Seth. Wonderful stuff. It's a big morning this morning. We're very, very excited. With just 27.5 minutes to go here on YouTube. If you've just come on in, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. There we go. And of course, also smash the like button. Smash the like button. That would be awesome if you wouldn't mind doing that as well. Can everyone tell me that they're seeing it okay? Is everything streaming okay? Because we are broadcasting this morning in 4K at 60 frames a second, pushing the absolute limits. I wanted to see how it would work for you. Anyway, let me know what you think. But today we're celebrating. Good morning. Yes, saw the commercial. Yes, did everybody? Fantastic. We are now a monetized channel. We've worked so hard for this. It's been 4.5, 5 months now, every weekday, other than October, which we took off, of course, to refurbish the studio, going live with you every single day, hours and hours a day. You guys have done this. It'd be interesting to see now what I earn from these shows. No commercial, looks like the same on iPhone. No commercial, looks the same on iPhone. Good morning, Dave Mottram. Good morning, good morning, good morning. No commercials, looks like the same on iPhone. TV looks good. It may be because Leah saw the ad. There you go. It may be, Bill, because you've got ad blocker turned on. So if do you get ads for other YouTube channels? There's no reason why not. It should show through, but we'll find out. Do Americans call adverts commercials? Yeah, it's the commercials. We call them adverts, they call them commercials, right? Yeah. Right. This is a big morning this morning. I'm expecting a recovery. I said it wouldn't come in the morning, but I do think it will come in the afternoon. Good morning, my fellow hood, the bag holders. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Let's have a look at it. Let's have a look at it this morning. Right. We're looking at, we're down another 1% this morning. Yep. Hi, Steve. Hey, we've got a new person here. Steve DJ. I'm not sure. That name looks familiar. He may have been here before, but Steve, if it's your very first time here, smash the like button and welcome to our very, very first monetized show. Today is the very first time. We've been working hard for 4 or 5 months every day, we've done it. Today we went over 4,000 hours, and what was amazing was we got approved within 1 hour this morning. I put the application in over the weekend. Once I hit 4,000 hours, it was Saturday afternoon, and then As soon as the office opens Monday morning, within an hour it was done. It was incredible. Not really just the ones in the YouTube by the guy saying it's coming. By the guy saying it's coming. Who's saying it's coming? But what are you talking about? Who's this mystery person that announces my show? I have no idea who that is. Steve, is it your very first time here? Welcome if it is. You're very, very welcome to the party. Where are you from? I'm from Texas, in Dallas, Texas, which is where my studio is. But my actual home is in Cornwall in the United Kingdom. I pay for premium YouTube for ad-free viewing. That's what it is. Yes, your very first time. Where are you from, Bill? Steve, right, we got a new member here, guys. So let's bring Steve in. Let's welcome him in, right? So everybody in the family today, put down your country and city. And is that Ireland? That looks like Ireland to me. Steve from Ireland, welcome to the show, mate. We go live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. And full disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor, so you can't sue me for bad advice. I don't give advice. I just share my story with you. And this is my TV studio. I was named World Piano Man by Sir Elton John. And I go live every night with music, and during the daytime I trade. And I've gone from $5,500. That's all I've put into this portfolio, and grown it to 58,000. But we have backed off a little bit in the last few weeks because of a correction, but we are going to recover. I'm not worried about it at all, and some of it might happen this afternoon. That's why we're seeing a drop this morning before the bell goes. And now you're here on my YouTube channel, I actually give away lots of things because I get paid by referral companies to refer brokerages and stuff like that. And they give me all kinds of like free coin and free shares, and they pay me, and I give that to you. I'm here to build a family, a community, which is what we've done, which is how we've grown so quickly. And it's because of that's my reward. I give back. Oh, look at my first super chat. Look at that, everybody. I got my very first super chat here on the Day Trader. Absolutely fantastic. I love that. I absolutely love that. I want to bring that into the... How can I film that? Hang on a minute. I want to film that and record that. Let me go to the Day Trader where we are right now. I want to film that. That's the very first one. Let me go into the live show right now. Here we go. Let me refresh the screen. I want to film that because that's a momentous moment. My very, very first thanks on the show. Look at that. We are monetized now, Bill. Oh, amazing. Let me refresh the screen. Let me bring that in. Okay. Here we go. So I want to bring that in. And let me record that because that's a momentous moment. Momentous moment. Let me have a look. I might not be able to broadcast in 4K. This might be a bit too much. I might need to turn it down for the next video. It does look a bit like it's pushing it a bit too much. I'm trying to raise the standard of the show. Let's have a look. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to do that on there. I don't think. Yeah, we're going to get all kinds of issues. Yeah, we're not going to be able to do that. Let me come out of that. Yeah, that's not going to work. That's not going to work. I'll record it later. I can play it back. I can play that back. That ain't a problem. Okay, it's a Shiba Inu. I see that. We've got Shiba Inus in the live chat. Amazing. What an amazing day. All right, you're here on a very special day. There we go. Right, the stock is down 0.38%, and we do care. It's not just about celebrating this channel today. We kind of need to make some money, right? So let's calm down a bit. Absolutely fantastic. I wonder if I can just... In fact, I know what I can do. If I just open up this channel here, I can bring it in. I know how to get it in. because I want to film what Bill just did there, because that's really amazing. I want to film it. Let's bring it into the show. Anyway, let's go back to the trading screen right now. Oh, I got another super chat. I got another super chat. Look at this. Everyone was celebrating this morning. Look at this. Oh, look at this, everybody. We're celebrating the channel today. We've done it. You've done it. I mean, I have to say, I just sit here and do my thing. This is incredible. I want to bring this in now. I'm just waiting to bring it in. My computer is struggling this morning because I'm broadcasting in 4K at 60 frames a second, and it might be a bit too much for it. It might be a bit too much. Let's bring in the chat. I'm going to go over now to the to this screen and see if I can record the screen. Just waiting to bring it in. Thank you guys. Look at that. Thank you very, very much indeed. I'm trying to bring the chat in and I just can't do it. My computer will not refresh. We've got 16 minutes to go. Of course, we're watching the market. I just want to record that. Oh, there it is. Right, there it is. There it is. Now I've got the chat on the screen. Now I can live chat. Right, there we go. Let me bring that in. There we go. I want to get that on the screen. That's what I want to record. There it is. Okay, look at this. Wonderful moment, guys. I want to thank everyone sincerely. It's very emotional. We've worked so hard for it. Hours and hours and hours a day. 240,000 minutes of watch time. That's what we've done to achieve this. And look at that. We've now got the live chat, super chat in the show. It's incredible. And my first one was Bill. Thank you, Bill. And then Muzanella came in. I can't believe it. What an amazing morning. There we go. I just want to record that and celebrate that. And thank everyone from the bottom of my heart. Seriously, it's been really stressful, incredible journey, and I am deeply humbled by it. But it's all down to you guys, really. You've all been here the entire time, and it's just been incredible. Let me just refresh that screen. There we go. I want to record that in a higher quality. There we go. Look at that, guys. I'm just repeating myself just because I'm recording the screen because I want to share this later. Hi, Dave. It's going to be a good day. It's going to be a great day. Yes, it is. We've reached the bottom, I believe, and we're going to start to recover. Once again, I just want to say thank you ever so much for everyone that's put the super chat in there, supported me all this time, been there the entire journey. Thank you so much indeed. Right. Let's get straight back into the trading screens. Let's get serious. Let's get into it. We've got 16 minutes to go. Right. Now, everything's falling off a cliff right now. I expect a recovery. This is what I think is going to happen, guys. I do think this is what's going to happen. I do think it's going to drop a bit more, and then we're going to see a recovery. It's what I believe. It's what I hope. And let's have a look now. Let's go across the right. Okay, we're getting ready now to bring in the timer, the 15-minute timer. Have you repositioned over the weekend? We did see Ethereum and Bitcoin bounce up a bit, but they're dropping back now. I think what we're about to get, this is what I think is about to happen. I think we're going to go parabolic. We're going to hit a bottom and we're going to swerve up. This is what I think's happening. We're getting this is the swell before the tsunami. It's building. It's back building. It's all going down. It's all going down, and then boom. That's what I think. I might be wrong. But of course, I mean, you know, that's what I think is about to happen. All right. Let's look at Hood because, as you all know, 2138 is a trade I want to make. I've got no money to buy. No money left to buy at all. I put the money in and we're waiting now just to... Look, my buying power, I'm not using leverage, of course. $35 left. Nothing there at all. Good morning, Alpha. How are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you ever so much, everyone who gave me a super chat, welcoming in this brand new monetized channel. Is everybody seeing it okay? I'm broadcasting today at 4K, 60 frames a second. This might be a bit too much, but I want to see if everyone's getting a better experience. Does it look and sound even sharper and even clearer? Tell me what you think. Good morning, Alpha. Thanks to all the follows over there on TikTok. Thank you very much indeed. Nothing big on the Strahan Bezos flight. No, not at all. I think we're in the midst of so much negativity at the moment. Rivian is up 1.38. SPCE is up 0.33. Okay, this is good news. And Virgin Galactic is rising. Okay, we're down now to the last 14 minutes to go before the bell goes. Virgin Galactic is lifting up. Let's have a look at everything else. Gores Guggenheim, what we're doing down there. That's up 0.5%. Lucid is up as well. Let's have a look. Yeah, up 5.5% Lucid. Fantastic. What about Hood? Hood is down 1.44. Palatine is down 1.99. PayPal is down 0.45. Immersion. Let's have a look at Immersion right now. That's up 1%. On. We are seeing some movement this morning. Most things are moving up. Yep. Up 0.44. What about Ethereum and Bitcoin? What are they doing? They're down 2.56. That's where a lot of my money is. Yep. 2%. We're hitting 48 now. I believe, I don't know, but I think we're at a parabolic moment, which is a big sweep up like that. That's what I think is about to happen. I'm not a gambling man, so I'm not just going to suddenly buy and borrow money and all the rest of it. Alpha, great video quality. Great. Fantastic. Thank you very much. Hopefully, you see an even better quality picture. I believe that might be the case. Go GGPI. Let's have a look. Yeah, up 0.5% this morning. We're waiting to see if we can get any trades this morning from Robinhood. I want Robinhood to pop up to 21.38 to get those 15 shares out again and to balance out the size of the portfolio. Tesla is down 0.5%. Rivian is up 1.48. Virgin Galactic is rising at 0.33. GGPI is up, but just dropping back slightly. Lucid is up 5.63. How many of you sold your positions there and thought that was going down? Looks like the good news is coming back. I didn't do anything. I didn't sell. I didn't reposition. I just stayed exactly where I was because I was up anyway. I was comfortable with that. And Robinhood is down 2% today. We are absolutely collapsing in Robinhood, I have to say. It's 5% of my portfolio. It should be about 10%, but it's halved in value. More than that, probably, from what I invested in anyway. Hood hits its 52-week low, all-time low right now. This is the cheapest Robinhood has ever been in. I believe it's oversold. Palatine is now starting to rise, even though it's down 2%. PayPal is down 0.45. Immersion is up 1%. On is up 0.44. What do you think is going to happen, guys? What do you think? I'm still in Lucid. Totally agree. You should be. I think it's a great stock. I'm most certainly in it for the long term. Here we are now with the situation here. You can see everything's falling down 0.5%. But there's a lot of good signs though, guys. There's a lot of good signs. We could have a turn up. because everything dropping like this before the bell goes, I think it's going to be a buyback. I think we could go parabolic on crypto. Honestly, that's what I think is going to happen. I still think $100,000 by the end of the year. And that will drive a lot of stocks forward. Apple is up 1%. There's green shoots all over the place. New is down 4%. There you go. Very speculative. Sono, let's have a look at Sono. It is down 0.63. If you've just tuned in, smash the like button, guys. Fantastic. Subscribe and ring the bell if you're new here. We go live every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell. Ethereum is now down 3% today. Look at that. Falling off a cliff right now, as is Bitcoin. But I think it's about to turn up. Of course, I might be wrong, but it's what I sense is about to happen. So we're coming down to 8.5 minutes to go. Are you repositioned? Where are you going to go with this? Our overall portfolio now is looking like we are down 0.37 on the hour. Let's go to the day position. Let's see if we're getting right. There we go. We're down 1.5% today. But we are coming back. Just wondering you don't try to keep, for example, 20% of the total portfolio value in cash. If one of your investments is in profit, you reallocate to cash, and if it tanks, you have cash to deploy. Well, yes, of course, but that's great. But then, of course, you buy the dips, and then you don't have any money again. At the moment, we're in a position where we've been just dropping and dropping for weeks. So I haven't been selling out my positions. I'm waiting for them to return to those positions. When I get to 58,000 again, which is my all-time high, then I will start taking some off the top and then loading up the buying power. I agree what you're saying. There is reason to what I'm doing. But let me just bring in that chat where everyone can read that. It's a very, very good point. This is what Alpha says. He says, just wondering, you don't try to keep, for example, 20% of the total portfolio in cash. If one of your investments is in profit, you reallocate to cash, and if it tanks, you have cash to deploy. You're totally right, but I've already done that before everything crashed. Everything's fully invested. I've not been able to take any money off the top recently. I have done in the past. It's how the portfolio has grown to this level, but right now, I don't. I know what you're saying, though. You're dead right. I don't want to get back to that as soon as possible because, you know. But then right now, you see, I would be buying in Robinhood, so the money be gone again. Buying dips are great, but eventually you stop buying dips because you've been doing it all the time. I mean, anyway, let's have a look. We've got just 5.5 minutes to go before the bell goes. Rivian's doing well, up 1.3. Virgin Galactic is up. GGPI is up, but just dropping back slowly. Lucid is up 5.26. We're all eyes are on Hood. Hood is turning up. Has Hood hit its bottom? Is this the all-time low for Robinhood? Will it go lower? I'm going to ask a poll. Let's have a look. Create a poll. Has Hood hit bottom? Ah, oh, damn it. Let me end that poll. That was a mistake. Didn't quite do it properly. Let me try that again. Sometimes you need to go slower and do a better job. I go too fast sometimes, and let's try that again. Okay, let's try that again. Has Hood hit bottom? Yes or no? Let's ask the community. It's so annoying that eToro don't show pre-markets. Yeah, this is my eToro account. Let me go over to it a second. As you know, I don't do much with eToro. Whoops, let me refresh the screen a minute. I think it's the best. I think for all I've seen, it's the best one in the UK, but not the. But Robinhood is better, but it's not available in the UK yet. It will be. They are working on that, and that'll be another catalyst to promote the stock. Right, we've got just 4 minutes to go, and Robinhood is picking up. I asked the question, has Hood hit bottom? I mean, are you voting with optimism, or are you voting with 86% say no? Can you show the 3-month chart of Robinhood? Yep. There you go. There's the 3-month chart for Robinhood. Yeah, there you go. I just wanted to share with you my eTORO. There's my eTORO position right there. I opened it with $50. That's all. I'm just down because it's just $50 worth of Tesla, and it's just slightly down. Okay, things are slightly picking up now. With just 3 minutes to go, things are picking up. Let's go back to the trades a minute. Thank you for all the super chat this morning. If you support the channel, it helps grow our channel and support it. Thank you very much, and your name gets highlighted in the chat as an appreciation. So thank you very much for Bill and Musanello who did that this morning. It's very, 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 very decent of you. It's our very first one, so it was quite a momentous moment when that happened, of course. Right. Okay, here we go. Has Robinhood bottomed? You're saying votes are 89% say no. I'm sure Musanella love to hear that. In how many companies are you invested in currently? About 40. About 40 stocks. Some ETFs, some dividends. I earn some dividend payments as well. The ETFs are great. A whole selection. But it's a portfolio I can relax and sleep with. There we go. Rivian is now up 3.44%. Virgin Galactic has now dropped back. We've got just a minute and a half to go. Hood is down slightly. Hood is coming up. I sense a parabolic movement this morning. That's a sweep and an up like that. That's what I think. Congratulations, Martin. Thank you so much indeed, Damien. And see the guys in the chat. They gave me my very first super chats this morning. It's when you can a monetized channel. You can highlight a comment and you can donate to the channel. It's incredible. I got my first two from, my first one was Bill and then Musanella. Absolutely amazing. And I recorded that to put out later on in a video. So happy. We've worked so hard for it. Can't believe it. Right, here we go. 1 minute to go. Let's get ready now. Here we go. 1 minute to go. Let's count down. We're going to watch Robinhood. I think Robinhood could be the one. I'm looking for a parabolic movement. I think we're going to get I believe we'll get a parabolic movement this December. A big sweep up with all these stocks. Everything has been oversold. There's some good news coming out of the UK now with regard to this new COVID variant. The vaccines do seem to be able to deal with it, which is what we want to hear. Right, here we go. $15 seconds to go. Are we going to get a parabolic movement upwards? I believe it's possible. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's have a look where we're going right now. Let's keep our eye on it all. We're going to watch Robinhood very closely. We're going to see what it does. Are we going to get that parabolic movement? Is it going to start to rise? Keep our fingers crossed. We've got Muzanella, of course, one of our biggest traders here, is heavily into it. I'm in it by what should be 10%, but everything is dropped. But here we go. Let's see where we pick up. The overall portfolio, we're going to keep our eye on everything this morning. We're still falling. Let's go on the live position. Good morning, Queen of Self-Braiding. Let's have a look. Are we getting any lift off yet? Right, we're still falling. All right, Tesla is down 1.57, and still everything is going down. So this is to me is a sign of a parabolic movement, a big drop and then a sweep up. All right, let's see if I'm right. Here we go. Rivian is now pumping. See the little dip and then straight up. Parabolic movement there for Rivian. It's happened in Rivian. There we go. 4% shooting up. And Virgin Galactic, there we go. Sweep down and straight back up. This is what I'm sensing this morning could happen across many of the stocks. I really think that we could get that today. It's just a feeling, but I'm feeling it. Lucid is up 4%. Lucid didn't. There we go. Robinhood. That's a parabolic movement. If that continues, straight down and straight back up again, and keep on running. I think people are going to buy in. I don't know. Smash the like button if you want the share. If you want the stock prices to go up, guys, hit the like button. Rivian is up 5 points. There we go. Robinhood is going parabolic. Look at that. Straight up. Straight up. I predicted it. If I'd have had money to put on it, I'd have made a lot of money this morning on a lot of these stocks. Look at it. Peloton, parabolic. Look at that. Sweep right back down, and then it went up again. It's just dropped back again in a second. Let's have a look what PayPal's doing. This is just showing us overvalue. That hasn't happened yet for PayPal. Let's go back to Hood. Look at that. That's a complete parabolic movement there. Overselling and then people buying back in. Huge sell-offs, huge buying now coming in. Are we going to see it rise across the whole portfolio and bring everything up? I certainly hope so. What about Ethereum and Bitcoin? And remember, it doesn't really have anything to do with the market opening hours. But sometimes there is a correlation. Yeah, we're not seeing anything there yet. They're not related. They trade 24/7, of course. But Rivian is up now 5.6. Look at that. I strongly believe that Rivian has hit its bottom now. 108 was its bottom. I think this is a great time to be in. I'm now in for the long term with that one. I'll take some money along the journey, but got a lot of shares in it now. Tesla is a great time to buy in. If I can get my money out of Hood now, there we go. Robinhood, definitely parabolic. If we can keep that going, 21.38. If we can get to 22, I will take my 15 shares and I'll buy Tesla right now. That's what I will do. If I can get that out now, that's exactly what I'll do. There it goes. There it goes. This is great news for Muzanella, of course. Thank you very much for being here this morning. Smash the like button if you've just arrived and subscribe and ring the bell. We're watching a big parabolic move this morning. We've had overselling now for over 2 weeks. Down and down and down. And this morning, huge drops, and we are going. We just want to keep this going. Will it keep going? It's trying to. No question about it. But will it keep going? The overall portfolio, I'm looking at it, is still down. I'm down 1.2 in the hour, and today the overall portfolio is down. I'm just going to check it for you. It's down 2%. Yep. Robinhood, now don't you come back. Keep on pumping up like that. Yep, everything is just tanking down. I still believe that we're going to get a parabolic lift off. We started to show signs of it, and then it slowed down again. But that's okay. Look at that. It's trying. For a few moments, it tried there. Look, Tesla, this is all overselling. Rivian is having an almighty day. Hood's trying to pump up. Come on. Virgin Galactic is still going down, but trying to return. For me, guys, I'm not doing anything. If I had money on hand, I'd buy further dips, but you can't keep buying further dips. Good morning, Nathan Smith. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to our brand new monetized channel, streaming in 4K at 60 frames a second. I hope you notice a higher level of sound and video. And you'll notice in the live chat, we had 2 super chats this morning. Bill was the very first one. Muzanella gave me a super chat. Really, really nice. Thank you very much indeed for all your support to the channel. Robinhood is trying to push up. Good morning, my man. Robert Durant is here. Congratulations. No, thanks to all of you. There we go. The parabolic movement I was talking about is coming with Robinhood. Look at that. It's trying. It's weak right now, but it's certainly trying. We dropped right down, overselling, ridiculous, and now we're getting huge buyback-ins. Yet you can see it all across the board. If I go, if I go over now to the main portfolio, you can see it as well. Look, we are getting a parabolic movement. That's when everything sweeps down and then lifts right off and keeps on going. I think December is going to be a huge return. Look at that. I think we could go as high as my portfolio could reach 60,000 in the next week or so. There we go. Look at this. It's happening. You see it lifting off now. Let's go back to Hood again. You can see it now. I really want this for Muzanella more than anything else. Yes, I do notice a difference. Thank you very much. It's being streamed in 4K at 60 frames a second. It's testing my computer to the absolute max. 14 screens all doing that. It's pretty intense, but anyway. Did you all notice the ad this morning? When the show started, there was an ad. Did you all see that? Okay, come on, Robinhood. Keep on going. Keep on going. Let's see Robinhood keep on lifting off like this. I'm looking to trade at $22 to take 15 shares out and buy dips elsewhere. That is the idea. That's what I'm planning to do if I'm able to do that. I tried to do it on Friday, of course. It wouldn't let me, but we are trying to do that. Dr. Nathan Smith said, yes, I did notice that. Did you all let the ads play or did you all skip them? 92% say no, Hood has not hit bottom. Okay. That's interesting that you say that. I actually voted. I was the only one, I think. I was the only one. I said, yes, it has. Because it's oversold, guys. I believe it's oversold. I believe December will be a recovery month. I believe we've hit a bottom. I believe majority of the portfolio is going to rise. So this is just my thought, guys. Right, we're looking at Robinhood right now, and it's rising. Come on, Robinhood, keep on going. Let's keep our eye now on all these stocks. Yeah, there it goes again. Lucid just dropping back slightly. Gauge Guggenheim is just dropping down now. SPCE is picking up. The overall portfolio, yeah, it's picking up very nicely, actually. We are getting an upturn. It tried to do a big sweep, but there it goes again. I just really feel that good shoots are around the corner. Rivian. Tesla's picking up. See, I want to get in. I want Hood to let me out so I can buy into Tesla 2% down. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it in time. Rivian is now lifting up again. This is good. Virgin Galactic is now pushing up. This is good. Hood is... Yeah, look, Hood's still trying. There it goes. Go on. Go on. Oh, look at Hood going. Go on. God, keep going. It's everything is trying to push up now. No question about it. This is great. I'm really excited. What's everybody feel? Does everybody feel positive and optimistic? You've all said no, Robinhood has not bottomed out. I was the only one to say it's bottomed out. I believe it's oversold. I believe we've hit the bottom. I believe this is a recovery month and we're not going to see these numbers again. You know, that's what I believe. And I see now the whole portfolio lifting off. Look at this now. Look at this. And it's going to go quick. My feeling is a parabolic upturn. Like that. And right now, it's doing exactly that. We've oversold the market. In England now, there is good news with the Omicron variant. They're saying now that the vaccination is able to deal with it. Come on, keep on going. Is this going to lift off? We're watching Robinhood. Go on, keep on going. Very, very exciting. Paul, the UK government is having a panic attack about tech new variant. The new variant. Yeah, I've heard about the... but haven't they said, though, that the vaccination is dealing with it, though? Isn't it to do with everybody's bought the test and they've run out or something, isn't it? Is that right? Is that what I read? We're watching Robinhood now do exactly what I said it would do. I believe it has bottomed out. Okay. There it goes. Come on. Let's do it. Let's keep on doing it. There we go. Look at this. Fantastic. This is great. I want to get to 22 and I'll sell 15 shares of it. That's all I want to do. Very, very exciting. Welcome everybody to the show. If you've just arrived, smash the like button. If you want the shares to go up, subscribe and ring the bell. We've got 20 likes now. Let's bring in the family. We've got the whole family here. This is absolutely great. Really, really great. There we go. Let's bring in the family right now. Awesome. I believe HID will go up again. Yeah, I do. I do think that we're on for... very good things now. I think December is going to be a recovery month. I do believe that. If you're over there on TikTok and you've no idea what we're doing here, you need to be here on YouTube. Click the icon here, click the YouTube link right behind my profile, and that's where we are now, trading with a team of traders, a family, and we've got all my trading screens. And over here, we give you free links, free money, all sorts of stuff. Loving this, watching Robinhood. Yes, really, really good. What was your trade the other day? Damien, what was your trades the other day? Robinhood, there we go. It's parabolic, like I said it was. There we go. It has hit a bottom. I do believe it. I'm standing by that. Yeah, what did you trade? Because you traded perfectly. You did exactly the right thing your first trade. I will tell you that. I was watching it. I forgot what it was now, but I was watching the chart at the time, and I wanted to say to you, you timed it perfectly. You made profit, you got out, and it dropped down. EVGO, yeah, it was spot on. You did exactly the right thing. You took some profit. Don't be bothered about today it's up and all that stuff. You made a profit from it, and buy when it's in the red. Don't buy when things are going up, because the news has already happened. All right, you did exactly the right thing. You made profit. I'm sitting on Tesla and now Hood. You want to get Robinhood right now? Yeah, you do. Tesla's a good time as well, of course. Down 2% today. Yeah, good time to get it. All right. Well, we settle in the morning. We've got a couple of minutes now to settle in. We're just going to take a very, very short break. I'll be right back with you in just 30 seconds time. And here's a quick word from my sponsors. There we go. Now, depending on how you saw that, you would have seen a commercial break. We're back with Robinhood again right now. Okay. Now, I want to ask all my traders, we're doing some research this morning because we are a family, we're here together. I want to get your feedback on everything new that's happening this morning. Are you all back with me? Did you all see a commercial break there? And was you able to skip it? Let me know exactly what happened then, folks. No commercial here. Okay. Well, you've obviously got ad blocking turned on. Possibly. Quite possibly. I'd like to see what everybody experienced there. I didn't see one. Yeah, you've all got ad blocking turned. You must, because I saw it on my other machine that doesn't have ad blocking. Nothing, just your logo opening and shutting. No commercials. Okay, that was weird. No ad blocker. Okay. No commercial here, but saw the first one. Oh, that was interesting. No advert, just your logo. Well, I saw it. That was bizarre. Oh, hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. You only... No, hang on. Oh, yeah. You only see it if you're on a computer... a laptop. That's correct. Yes. Yeah, I saw it. There you go. If you're on a phone or an iPad, I don't think you saw it. I think it's only if I put an ad in during a live show, only those on a computer saw it. So those of you who didn't see it, are you on an iPad or a phone? Because you'll see a commercial on an iPad or a phone once the video's processed and it plays back, but you won't see it if I've pushed one out during a live show. I'm on an iPad. There you go. That's what it is. I'm on a computer right now and I didn't see anything. Oh. Dave Mottram's on a laptop. I did not. Nothing on iPhone or TV. No, that's right. On a laptop. I'm on a computer right now, and I didn't see anything. Okay. It's very complex, isn't it? It's very complicated stuff. But anyway, I saw an ad. All right. There we go. Look at this right now. Yeah, phone. That's what it is. Right. Okay. Now, I want to ask you the question, you know, that's great. If you do see an ad pop up, of course, you can always skip it. How often do you feel it's fair to see a commercial break like that? I mean, assuming you'd have seen it, it would have been there for 5 seconds. You could have skipped it and come back in again. How soon do you feel? Try it again, Martin. It won't work until another 10, 15 minutes. I don't want to do it straight away. That will, that's not good. You have to leave it a certain amount of time. But how often is it fair to see a commercial? If you can skip it after 5 seconds, how often is that fair? Obviously, I'm not going to do it when the bell goes. I'm not going to do it when something really important is about to happen, or we're mid-trade, or everyone's asking questions. There's the right time to do it. I started the show at 8 o'clock and I did my first ad break at 8:45. Is that acceptable? Oxygen. My thoughts on it is, well, Dr. Nathan Smith will give you a better insight on it. For me personally, I don't understand it enough. It's not something I understand. I know it's been very... I know Kenneth Brunk, our technical analysis guy, we've not seen for ages, believed in it. Yeah, 30 to 45 minutes. Yeah, that's what I thought. I think every 10, 15 minutes is annoying. I don't think you'd want to see it that often. Obviously, it's a balance between making a living, earning an income from ads. It's another to abuse your family. Hood tested 23 times. Let's break it. Let's have a look. Okay, let's go back to Hood. We're keeping our eye on it there. So, Palantir is down. PayPal is down. Oh, PayPal is now up. There we go. Immersion is down 2%. What's it done? Let's refresh the screen. Yep, still down. What about Tesla right now? Tesla's down 3%. Great time to get some Tesla, folks. Good opportunity right now. The overall portfolio, this is why it's balanced. Look at that. We're down 0.5% on the hour. Let's look at the day. Yeah, we're down 2%, but we have recovered a bit. We have seen some recoveries, but not in everything. Tesla still falling. Ugh. Virgin Galactic is up 1%. Lucid is up 4%. But we are focusing on Hood today. Like Muznella said, I'm going to bring this in. Hood tested 2020 3 times. Let's break it. Yeah. Go over to the app. You can see exactly the position. We rose and we're dropping back again. So my prediction of it going parabolic has not yet. Well, it did it, but then stopped. So, you know. Let's go back to the trading screen and look at Robinhood still dropping back. Dave Mottram, I will do a commercial break in about 15-20 minutes. I won't do it yet. And I won't do it when we're watching Robinhood so closely as this. But thank you for the invite. I want to thank Muzanella and Bill this morning, by the way, for giving me 2 super chats. Very first ones on the show. Amazing. Do you think the release of the new Spider-Man film Wednesday will translate into a jump in the Disney share price? I don't think that has anything to do with it. No. I don't see that. Good one, James. I think that's good. Hey, who knows? Anything in this world can happen, but I don't think so. But good thought though. Right, we're seeing we're now seeing Hood return. Now, Muzana said it tested 2020 3 times. Now, for those of you who don't know, if you get a test like that 3 times and it hits it again, it will break through. That's kind of what happens. If it keeps trying and if it fails the 3rd time and drops back, then we could be going lower. But if it breaks through, then we start a pump upwards. So, as I say, I'm new to all this. Yeah. No, there's nothing wrong with that, mate. Hey, why not? Stranger things have happened. All right, we're now lifting off again across the whole portfolio. Let me just share with you the app for the look at that. Everything is now lifting up. We're going to be at 50,000 very soon, and we're going to be green again. I know it's going to happen. I know that Robinhood is going to go parabolic. I know the Bitcoin and Ethereum is going to do the same. So it's what I believe. It's where I'm sitting. It's why I'm not doing anything at all. I'm just staying where I am. And that's what I believe is about to happen. But the stock doesn't know a time. It doesn't know Martyn Lucas from the Day Trader is sitting here watching it. It doesn't work that way. But I believe it's coming. And I hope the perfect plan. But of course, is when stocks rise a lot. There's a bit of correlation. They all tend to rise. Not every stock, but a lot do together. When Robinhood hits 2022 and I can sell those, there we go, 20 now. Here we go. 2020 is a test, as we've been pointed out from Muzanella, who's got a lot of contracts on this one, a lot invested in here. If we can go past 2020, we could see it start to pump up. And at 2022, I will sell 15 shares and I will buy a dip in probably Tesla. But the trouble is, by the time it does it, Tesla will probably be up. That's how it goes. I mean, that's what happens. Come on. 12 more cents to test 2020 again. If it breaks that the 3rd time, it could then pump up. That's kind of how this thing works. If it hits it a 3rd time and doesn't, then it could drop back even lower. It becomes a It becomes right now. It's a price we want to break through. It's a resistance. We break through that, it can become a support. That's the idea of all this. We want to push through 2020, and then 2020 will become a support level. Right now, it's a resistance. It won't let it break through 2020. So it's trying to get through there now. $20.06. Come on. Come on, Robinhood. Push up. You can do it. This is my new screen. Look, now I can see this is my new chat. Look, I can see that people who have supported me during the show. See this here? Look, this is you got Muzanella and Bill who gave me a tip. See, it shows up in the in the settings here, viewer activity. This is something I can see now live in the show. 2010, it's trying to push through. Look at this. Come on, Robinhood. 2020 is a resistance. If it breaks through, it can become a support. We don't want to see it bounce off it a third time and drop back, because then it could mean it's going to go lower. 2011. The overall portfolio is trying to push up. There we go. 2014. It went green for a moment. Come on. 2015. This is a very important resistance level now. 2016. If we go through 2020 comfortably, it could then push up. If it bounces off it again and drops back, then it could go lower. Ooh, come on. 2020 is where we want to break through. It's not a good sign. It's not a good sign, but don't lose faith in it yet. Let's look at everything else. Let's keep our eye on everything else. If you just joined us, smash the like button if you want the stocks to go up. Subscribe and ring the bell. We go live here every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell. And we're a family of traders here to support everyone. If you're over there on TikTok, come and join us over here on YouTube. The link is right behind the profile. If you're one of my serious traders and you want to be part of the family, I give away Bitcoin. I give away stocks and shares and some free cash. Because I get referral payments from brokerages and I don't keep it. I give it back to you. It's a way to thank you for supporting my channel. So come and be here with me. Got a great offer today as well, which we'll discuss in a minute. A huge offer to give away today. But right now we're focusing on all these stocks. 4% Tesla, everybody. Look at this. What a time to buy in. Rivian is now up 4.4. I could sell Rivian for 17% and buy Tesla. I could do that. But I'm not going to. It's not enough of a profit. Not for me anyway. SPCE dropping back again. Still up though today. Lucid is having a good day, up 3.4%. Hood, come on. 1996. At this precise moment, it's not looking great for Hood. It's trying to break through, but it's not doing it. And if it sticks at this point, it could suffer and go lower. But we hope that's not going to happen. No. We don't want to see it go any lower now. I believe the long-term prospect of this stock is fine. I believe once Vlad Tenev works out how to handle his customers and fires himself and gets someone else to promote Robinhood, he'll be all right. But the platform is great, but the way they run things is terrible. No information on wallets at all. All that excitement about the wallets and still nothing. I mean, I'm one of the first in the world to get it, and I still haven't got it. There's 1.5 million people who've applied for it, and they're doing it from the top down, and I'm only 4,000 from the top. So, I mean, and they released it like 2 weeks ago. So Apple's doing very well, by the way. Let's have a look at New. New is down 7%. Still falling. Oh, starting to pick up now. No, it's still 7% down. EVGO and SEV. Evgo, a perfect trade the other day, by the way, for Damien. Believer Bubble. Did a perfect trade. Look at that. He did it spot on. Congratulations to you. Right, everybody. It's time to get scores on the doors. Go to your main portfolio. For your Robinhood's having another go. 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008. Come on. It's having another go at 2020. Get your scores on the door when I say don't post it until the timer starts. So get ready. Go to your main portfolio. Look on your day position. And I am down 1.85. So get ready. Don't post. I hope everything goes parabolic. Would love to see your portfolio with 2 additional zeros at the end. Yeah, so would I. So would I. Right, so I am down 1.85. Don't post yet. Get ready to post. Get ready to post. Go to your main portfolio. Look at your day and get ready to post. When you see the 1 minute timer, you have 1 minute to post. Everybody post really quickly then. Are you ready? Okay, get ready. We're just watching Robinhood. We really want this to go through 2020. It keeps on trying. It gets close to it and bounces back. So, when I post, you start posting. Are you ready? Okay, I'm down 1.85. Okay, I've posted it. Get your scores on the doors. Let's do it. Let's bring in the countdown timer. Right now. Here we go. I'm down 3%. Okay, so Peter Brazier is down 3%. I'm up 5.5%. I thought that was 5 then. Slicky up 2.49. Are you kidding me? Bill is up 5.96. Bill, that's an incredible score. How are you up that much? How are you up that much? Down 1.92. The big score of the day is Bill. Bill is going to smash it today on 5.96. I can't see anybody beating that. There you go. Bill is the trader of the day. I'm absolutely blown away. Bill, that is an incredible score. Congratulations to you. Well done. Absolutely amazing. They call it smart investing. Wash your hands. Yeah. That's very, very good. We're still watching Robinhood here. Congratulations, Bill. Yeah, that's very, very good. You taught me well. Yeah. You're doing very, very well, Bill. You've won a few times now. Fantastic. Right. I still haven't bounced back yet. I'm just sitting there. We're going to keep our eye on Hood because that's going to give us the pattern of everything where it's all going to go. And right, let me give you some links right now in the chat because I know we've got some new people joined this morning. And I do have some links here. I call it the all links button. It's where everything is in one place for you. And today we have an almighty giveaway. Get free stocks valued up to $8,300. Yep, you heard that right. By opening and funding a WEBULL account using my referral. This is insane, guys. This is the best offer I've ever been able to give you. Here, you can open a WEBULL account. I think you can do it in America and the US. Sorry, I think you can do it in the UK as well. I think so. If you've not opened a WEBULL account, use my link right there. And there are 5 free stocks with my link. I'm trying to bring everybody the best offers. And remember, I share everything I get with you as well. I give cash back for Amazon on the all links button. You'll see it there. Bill should show us his portfolio. Very shortly, we're going to start doing video call-in to the show. You can actually be in the show, and we could have people share their portfolio. But if Bill takes a picture, I will share it on the screen. Absolutely. Robinhood dropping back again. Ah, this is not good news. We want to see it rise up. I know it's coming. It just might not be in our time, in the time that we want it to come. But it will go up. I'm very confident of that. All right. He should show us his portfolio, yeah. Oh, by the way, I've got some great news as well for the Queen of Self-Braiding. Queen of Self-Braiding, I'm not going to tell everybody. I want you to post how many subscribers you now have to your YouTube channel. And that's a lot. And she thanked me, but really, I'm just one subscriber. All I did was let her post a link. That's all I did. All of you must have subscribed to it. She's so happy. She's finally got 200 subscribers, and that's absolutely incredible. So there we go. So Queen of Self-Braiding, you might want to just post that in the chat. How many subscribers you got exactly, and I will share with everybody. Of course. Absolutely great news. Here is Bill's situation right now. Here we go. He said to share it. This is Bill, everybody. Bill has Apple. He's got a very small portfolio. Apple, EVGO, Palatine, and Space. This is Bill's portfolio. Apple's making him doing very, very well, as you can see. EVGO is good. Palatine, not so well. But Virgin Galactic, he's been buying all the dips. That's what he's done there. So there we go. That's Bill's portfolio. Thanks for sharing that, Bill. Appreciate that very much indeed. There you go. Not looking good for Robinhood right now. We all send our love. Looks like WEBULL is only for USA, not UK. I'm sorry if it's not available in the UK. I thought it was. That's Dave Mottram has just come back. Great shame that. I think all my US guys have got it. Charlotte Kennedy. Hello, Charlotte Kennedy. Oh, hang on a minute. This is one that came the other day. I don't know if this is a bot, because we keep getting different names, but they always post like two little words like that, and then they never speak to us. So Charlotte Kennedy, if you are a human being, not a robot, say hello to us. Tell us where you're from, and we'll all tell you where we're from. But I keep getting different names with just a couple of words with a dot, and then another, and that. I keep getting that. So I don't know if Charlotte Kennedy is real. But anyway, yeah, I wanted my 5 free shares. Oh, yeah, I'd so love to give that to you, Dave. Oh, and by the way, let's bring in all our fans today who have got their mugs. This is all our team of traders. Let's bring it in. We've got Dr. Nathan Smith, who's here on the show today. Awesome picture, by the way. Love that. And we've got Muzanella's here with us today. Thank you, Muzanella. And we've also got Chris, who hasn't got a mug, but likes to watch the show. And we've also... Oh, Leo's on the camera there. You're on the camera there. With the coffee coming in. There's Sam, not here this morning, but he's one of our traders. And there is Robert Durant, who's here today. Dave Mottram, we just heard from. And the Queen of Self-Braiding, who's celebrating 200 plus now. Very, very, very good. Congratulations to you. And, of course, genius. Absolutely great. Love it. Oh, a nice cup of tea this morning. 23 likes now on the video. Thank you very much. Sam Laidler. Sam. Good morning, Sam. We just shared you on the screen for a moment. And we're looking forward We're looking for... Oh, Sam, I've got something exciting for you. Well, first of all, Sam, did you see the commercial when you came into the show? We are now a monetized channel. And did you see... I saw. Woohoo! And did you see the super chats? Did you see the super chats in the chat? You can actually highlight your name and support the channel. Did you see that? And the very first one was Bill, and then Muzanella. Absolutely awesome. This is what I see my end. This is what I get to see. I see that. So Bill sent me a Shiba Inu. Oh yeah, I did see that. Fantastic. Congratulations. We've smashed it. It's 4,500 watch hours now. And we got approved in 1 hour. It normally takes a month to get approved. And we got approved in 1 hour. I put the application in on Saturday. And Monday morning, within 1 hour of YouTube office opening up, I was approved. It takes normally a month. Oh, this is such bad news for Muzanella. In fact, all of us, and myself, I've got a lot of shares here. I've got 5% of my portfolio should be 10% right now. And it's dropped 50%. So it's not good news for Robinhood right now. But it will return. Great time to buy in if you've not already done so. So there. Yeah, absolutely great. Thank you ever so much for everyone. Tesla is on sale this morning. This is overselling. The Omicron variant is scaring the world. But the good news in the UK is the vaccination can handle it. So this is going to be short-lived bad news, I feel. I feel we'll get there. Wins all over the place. Must be doing something right. The next step is more dislikes, then you know you're really successful. The next target is to make $100 to be monetized. So I start getting paid. You don't get paid until you hit $100. So market profit is here. It's not the Omicron. It's the Fed announcement on Wednesday. Correct. It's about the inflation figures here in the US, which you would have expected Ethereum and Bitcoin to have done well on, and they haven't. They've continued to tank. But I know it's going to come back, so I'm not worried. I'm not worried about any of this. I'm just wishing I could buy dips, but, you know, we can't keep buying dips, right? I mean, you run out of money eventually. So anyway, we're going to do a test now. It's half an hour since we had our last commercial break, so I'm going to sip my tea for 30 seconds. You can all skip the ad after 5 seconds. Are you ready? And tell me if you see the ad now. You won't see it if you're on an iPad or a phone, because in a live show, I can't put an ad through to a phone or an iPad. But if you're on a computer right now, you should see an ad. Are you ready? I'm gonna push an ad to you, so we hear from our wonderful sponsors that wish to sponsor my show. Are you ready? Okay, we'll be right back after we've heard from a quick break from our sponsors in just a few seconds from now. Here we go. There we go. And maybe you saw an ad, maybe you didn't. Yep, I'm seeing the ad. It's popped up for me again. There you go. Did everybody see the ad? Dave Mottram said try it again, so I tried it again. There we go. Yes, see the ad this time. Woo! Get in. I will know in about 2 days how much this video earned. I'm guessing it's $1. That's all. I'm guessing it's $1. I don't know. We will find out in a couple of days. The next target, as I say, is to reach 100. Yep, electric vehicles came up. I'm on a laptop. There you go. Great. So that's the idea. The idea is get to $100 worth of revenue, and then they'll pay me out, and then they pay you once a month. That's the idea. And then the next target will be to reach 5,000 subscribers. That doesn't do anything. It'll just be a target. And then the next target will be 10,000. And at 10,000, you can then get your merchandise shelf. So all the merchandise that you see in my shop will be below the video. The Queen of Self-Braiding didn't see it. That's maybe because you're on an iPad or a phone, or you have ad blocking turned on. And also YouTube do select if you've just seen an ad somewhere else. They don't show an ad straight away. It's all to give you the best experience. Anyway, everybody that saw the ads, do you feel it's fair right now? It's not an abuse. You're okay with the balance? Every half an hour, 45 minutes, something like that. Does that feel about right? Are you able to skip it? Does it make you feel still engaged? Are you happy? Or am I completely abusing it and doing it too much? Tell me what you think, because I don't want you all to switch off. That would be pointless. I want this to still feel like the family it is, and it's your channel, which it is. I don't want it just to be ad city, because that would be pointless. Right. Everything dropping back. I don't know how that Bill's made. Bill's been up so much today. I just can't believe it. It's incredible. Anyway, this is not good news for Robinhood right now. This is not good news. Remember, we said if it hits 23 times and bounces off it, it will go lower. And that's exactly what it's doing. So, unfortunately, there's nothing we can do about that. You've got an amazing opportunity to buy in today if you've got money on hand. Let's have a quick sip of my tea. This is great to witness a channel growing and becoming monetized. It's incredible. It is incredible. You've watched it live happen. You're all part of it. And Bill and Muzanella, or anybody else today who does me a super chat, after this video, I am making a video and all the super chats will be in the video. So if you want to get your name immortalized forever to be on the premiere day that we monetize this channel, if you give me a super chat, I will film it. You will be on the video. All right, Muzanella and Bill will be on there. I'm making a video how to monetize a channel. I'll be doing it after this broadcast. It will go out later on today. And if you want your name highlighted and you want to be on that video, then you need to donate a super chat. I can't do it for you. I can't make it appear without you doing it. So if you want to be on it and you want to be in that video, I think 99 cents is it 99 cents the cheapest one? I think it is. Let me have a look. Let me have a look at it myself. Super sticker is, just looking at it right now, $2 is the cheapest one. And what about Super Chat? Super Chat is... That's cheaper, I think. Oh, yeah. Super Chat is $1. Super Chat is $1. I want to be on my own. I'm gonna be one on my own. There we go. Buy and send. I want to put one on my own video. There we go. I want to be in the video myself. Right, there we go. Damn it. Hood is my biggest investment. Don't worry about it, Sam. What I would be doing right now is buying the dip if you can. If you can buy the dip, if you've got money on hand, then it's not a bad time to buy a bit more. There we go. It bounced off 2020. There you go. I'm going to be in my own video. See that? Look. The day trader. Oh, brilliant. Oh, yeah. Look at this. It's a tough day. And it's a tough day. We all know this. But it's coming back. It's going to come back. You got to look at it, guys, and see this as a time just to buy in, relax, sit back, wait, because it will return. And when it does, you'll be in the position. But don't leverage. Don't borrow money. I did that gig a couple of nights ago. I told you I was doing an in-person gig. It's why we didn't do the music show. I actually was in a room of some big financial investors, some guys who actually work the floor of the stock exchange, Barclays Bank, people like that, who invest millions and billions of dollars of other people's money live on the trading floor. And I spoke to them and told them about my show, and they're going to come on the show, which is really exciting. We're looking forward to seeing Christopher come into the show. And I told them my plan and my strategy and how I do it, and they said you got it spot on. And the fact is, don't use leverage, don't borrow money, don't trade with emotion. Sit back and relax, feel calm, stick with what you believe in, balanced portfolio. All these principles, he said you got it spot on. You're doing it exactly right. So it was a good conversation. Sam said, I was wondering which dip to buy. I have a little bit of money from the profit got from Apple last week. Hood is the best bet right now. Yes, I would say, well, there's several, to be fair. Tesla is phenomenal. For me, what I would do is I would buy some Tesla and Hood. That's exactly what I would do. If I had $1,000 right now, I would spend $500 on Tesla and $500 on Hood. That's just me. That's what I would do with my money. So I'm not going to tell you what you should do. What you should do is what's right for you. But that's what I would do with my actual money right now. If I had $1,000 to spend, I would do that. I would put $500 on Hood, and I'd put $500 on on Tesla. That's what I would do right now. Now, Robinhood could keep going lower. It could go to, it's not like this is as low as it can go. It could go to $5. It could go to $1. Understand that. It could. But the lower it goes, the greater the upswing. The greater the upswing. That's all you got to think about. It might take a while. I'm down like 50% now. Musanella is bleeding right now. He's feeling a lot of pain. But if you hold on, you'll be okay. Now, could it go lower? Yes, it could. But is the upswing from this point greater than the downswing? Absolutely. Absolutely, the upswing is greater than the downswing. It might go down, who knows? No one knows. It could go to 10. It could go to 1. But you can't wait for it to go to 1, because that probably never, that more than likely will never happen. But you got to look at it now. Is the upswing higher than the downswing? And I would say, without a shadow of a doubt, that the upswing is higher. Looks like you were wrong with your yes in the poll. Definitely I was wrong. 100% I was wrong. But remember when I said it, that I was being optimistic. I was just willing it. It wasn't an educated belief. I was just voting to believe in it. That's all that was. I said it. If you rewind the video back, you'll hear me say I'm voting with optimism, not voting with belief. I do think that Robinhood has got some way to go, but I'm still buying into it. I see a greater upside than downside. If it goes lower, I don't mind. It's why I haven't sold out. I haven't sold out and keep buying back. I'm just sitting here waiting. And that's fine. I'm okay with it. Red December, indeed. Indeed, it's Red December. But yeah, I will admit I was the only one. I think wasn't. Let me have a look at the poll. Yeah, look at that. 84%. That's me. I'm the only one who voted yes. So I'm going to end the poll now. But yeah, rewind the video back and you will see I said this is emotion. This is just optimism. But anyway. I'm always bullish. Remember, I'm always bullish on my stocks. Just got to. I still believe in Hood. I just got to wait for it. And the only reason this is doing this is because of the huge negativity around Hood right now, because of the lack of information on the wallets, the lack of information on the pensions it's bringing out, the lack of information on the progression into other countries. It's just not giving any information. It's terrible what it's doing, how it's running itself, but the product is amazing. And it's why I invest on it. It's why I believe in it. It's why I use it. Just got to give it time. So what is Sam going to do? Is Sam going to buy... Do you want me to run a poll for you, Sam? Ask the team what you should do. I'm glad you do that. If anybody wants me to ask a poll to the team, tell me what you want me to ask the family, and I will do a poll on it. I think he should spend half his money on Hood and half his money on Tesla right now. This is a very big sell-off today. It's been a long. Oh wow! There we go. My all-time lows now. Look at this. We're losing a lot of money right now. Yeah, we're really coming off a cliff right now. I voted yes as well for the same reason. Exactly. It was optimism. It wasn't. It was totally optimism. That's all that was. Absolutely 100%. That's all that was. I think he should go for Tesla and space. Tesla and space. Wow. Look at this now. Look at this. We are literally diving off a cliff right now. Tesla and space. Yeah. Either way round, Tesla space, Tesla, I mean, a bit of all three, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, I'm right with that as well. Don't think it's going to go green until this Thursday or Friday. I actually said Monday afternoon. Sometime this afternoon we'll pick up. I said we'd have a sell-off on the morning, and we are, and I think it will come back this afternoon. What's Sam going to do? I bought some Hood and Tesla. There we go. I think you're okay with that. I think that's good. You might have bought the perfect moment. I mean, it's early to say. What price did you pay? What price did you pay, Sam? Because have you already just made some money? It just lifted up, look. Oh, it's pushing up. Go on, Hood. Come on. What price did you pay, Sam? You probably make some money now, right? You've probably just made some money. Go on, Hood. Come on. You know what? The stock price will go up if everybody buys a super chat. I got this premonition that if everyone buys a super chat for $1, the price will go up. Oh, Sam's making money. He's got to have done. You got to have done. I'm guessing you just made some money. You must have done. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla's still falling, or you're losing it there on Tesla, though. If you've bought in now, you're still going down, yeah. Oh, I wish I could buy Tesla right now. Oh, for the very first time, I'm losing money on Tesla. Look at that. I'm down $24 on Tesla now. Wow. There we go. Oh, Robinhood dropping again. Oh dear, oh dear. It's frustrating, but it's just a waiting game, and it's times like this you just wish you had more money to invest. But don't be tempted to use leverage. Don't do that. That's one bit of advice I will give happily. Do not borrow money to invest on the stock market. Make money from money. Don't ever borrow money, because you don't know how low this will go. If your portfolio is balanced, you're perfectly comfortable. Yep, Virgin Galactic lift pushing back up again. Yep. Hood, he's made some money. Definitely made some money on Hood. But whatever he's made, he's lost it on Tesla. Trying to find information. Trying to find it? What are you on about? Trying to find it. You've just invested hard-earned money. You should know exactly what you're doing. Trying to find it. He's trying to find it. Yeah, I think that's funny. Right. 1947. All right. You've made some money then. Great. Great. You've made some money. Now, you know the way I trade, as in a market like this where all your stocks are losing money, you've got two options. You bought in really, really low, and you go, right, okay, I'm going to leave this in here now until this is $30, $40 a share and make myself a load of money. That's one way of looking at it. Or you go, no, I've made $1, sell again. You know, that's what I do. I do a combination of the two. I have a core amount invested in this, and then I buy in and out like 10 trades a day if I'm trading. I'm not trading at the moment because I haven't got any money to invest, right? So that's what I would be doing. So you might have made $10 right now. Sell, do it again, do it again. $10, $10, $10. Keep doing that. As long as you've still got... remember, every investment is separate. Even though your portfolio will say you're down 10%, 20%, in my case 31%, 32%, every trade is individual, every trade is separate. If you just bought in at 1947, you've just made 20 cents a share on those shares. If you've bought 10 shares at 1947 and we're now at 1967, those 20 shares you can sell for 20 cents profit on each one. That's how that works, right? Doesn't matter if your portfolio says you're down $1,000 or 50%. You made money from those shares. You sell those shares and you make some profit. You've made money even though Robinhood is down. You've made some money. Then you do it again. And if you miss out, you miss out. It doesn't matter. You've made a profit. Never be tied to the stock. I have no idea what I am doing. I am hemorrhaging money for everyone's entertainment. Well, no, you're not. You're absolutely not. You've just made a profit. How many shares did you buy, Sam? How many shares did you just buy at 1947? Tell me how many shares you just made at 1947. Because you need to try get money out of the market all the time, right? I would be quite happy to. I'd be quite happy to sell those. I don't know, one share. If you bought one share at 1947, you've made yourself 20 cents. Sell one share, you've made 20 cents. You're up 20 cents. That's the way I do it. And don't go, oh yeah, but now it's 21, 22. Well, that's going to happen. That's why you've got a fundamental value of the stock already. You know, you might have say, right, I want 10% of my portfolio Robinhood. So you've got 10%, but now you just added another 2%. Trade the 2%, you've still got the 10%. So you've still got the 10% for long-term growth, but your 2% you've just bought and sold and made 20 cents. You've made a few cents. Take care of the pennies, the pounds look after themselves. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. And I shared this with a Barclays financial banker who's on the floor of the stock exchange and said, Martyn, you're doing it right. You bought 10. All right, so you've made like right now you've made about $1 then. Right now you've made about $1. Hang on, 47. Yeah, you've made $1 right now. You've made $1 right now. If you sell 10 shares right now, you've made $1. You are up. You have made a profit on Robinhood this morning. How many people can say that? You can say that. If you sell right this second, you make $1. You get your capital back and you make $1. And then if Robinhood goes lower, you buy in again and you do it again. Or maybe this time you go, I'll leave it a little bit longer. You've also lowered your average, right? Your average cost would have come down. My $200 savings are gonna buy trading crypto. Here we go. Daywood Showcat. We got a new member to the party. Daywood, bro, my portfolio is gone. My 200 savings are gone and broke. My parents. Oh dear. My $200 savings are gone. No, nothing's gone. Daywood, if you've bought into crypto, you just wait and hold. You haven't sold at a loss, have you? You haven't just lost all your money. You haven't. Crypto hasn't gone bankrupt. Crypto hasn't gone to zero. Robinhood is now pumping up. Remember, guys, you can always make money. I said this to the financial guy I met from Barclays Bank. I said, I'm always making money. It's easy to make money on the stock market. It's easy to make money on the stock market. What is difficult is to manage your money, keep calm, and risk management. That's the hard bit. But that's actually easy as well if you know what you're doing and you follow us here. That's what you do. What do you mean you got liquidated? Daywood, what do you mean you got liquidated? Did you borrow money to invest? What is Sam saying now? What did you buy your Tesla at, Sam? 966. Oh, look at that. Robinhood is making money. Robinhood is making money, guys. And he's made money on... Yes, he's just about to make money on Tesla as well. He's just about to make money on Tesla. I was future trading. Oh, okay. So you were using contracts. You were using leverage. Oh, look, everybody, look. I hate to see anyone do contracts like that or shorting stock or leveraging. But right now, look, guys, here's a real person. Look, who was. Looks like an alien, mind you. Looks like an alien. But Daywood Showcat, look at that. I hate to see anyone lose money. He is buying future with leverage. This is what happens over and over again. And I've been saying this time and time again. I hate to hear anyone losing money. But 20 times leverage. And now he's liquidated. What that means is his brokerage has done a margin call on him, sold all his stocks to get back their money, the brokerage won't lose money. The brokerage made sure what he had left would cover their debt and their interest, and they sold it all. He's liquidated. That's what happened there. I am so sorry that happened. My parents are going to kill me. That's what he says. Daywood, how much did you invest? How much have you lost? And when you say parents, how old are you? How old are you? How much money did you invest? And are you telling me your portfolio is gone to zero? Are you telling me that? We want to offer you support here on the channel. And... as best we can. We're here to support and help everyone. Right, you see why I said, Sam, sell those shares. Did you do what I just said? You would have made $1 and now you can buy it back again for less. So you make another $1 in a minute. Do you see that? If you'd sold, you would have made $1. You can now do it again. Buy again. What did you do? Tell me what you did. Because right there is what I would have done. In a market like this, $1 is $1. Each time you do it, you're earning free shares. What did you do? Daywood, $200. I'm 19 years old. And so have you lost your $200 that you put in? What brokerage did you use? Are you in America? Are you using Robinhood, WEBULL, Ameritrade? What did you use? Sam, tell me now. Tell me you just sold that and made a profit. I'm serious, mate. It's all gone. I was using Binance. All right, guys, you're all seeing it here. Probably KuCoin. No, he was using Binance. Yes, you did. You sold it. You sold it. You made the buck, and now you're going to buy it back, right? Tell me that's what you just did. I want to be absolutely sure that's what you just did. I'm so proud of you if you just did that, but tell me what you did. Sold at 1956. Hang on, let me check that. 1956. Oh, get in. I'm proud of you, mate. You did exactly the right thing. Exactly the right thing. So proud of you, mate. Well done. I am so proud of you, Sam. You did exactly the right thing. Now what you're looking for, so you bought it in at, you made $1, right? You've now got $1 to buy more Robinhood for free. Well done. Well done. You bought it at 1947. You sold it at 1946. And now you can do it again. Now you can do it again. All right? Don't have FOMO, fear of missing out. Oh, but now it's going up to 2021. Don't care about that. You made a profit. I don't think many people today made a profit on Robinhood. You made a profit. You are a winner. So what you do it again, and you do it again. And at some point you go, okay, I'm done. I'm all right. If you're over there on TikTok, you're missing the show. You're missing my team. You're missing my trading screens. You're missing the giveaways of. I got 5 free stocks to give away today. I've got Bitcoin to give away. Click on the icon right here and come into YouTube. My YouTube profile is right there on the TikTok profile page. I'm new here. I just bought $50 worth of Bitcoin. Thoughts? Congratulations to you. Right, Sam, look at this. Robinhood is going down again. Now, don't get greedy. Don't wait for it to go down and down and down and down and down. Look at it. The moment it drops, buy. Do the same thing. Buy another 10. Yeah. Dave Mottram says, yeah. Oh, look at this. I'm so sad to hear this. This is a 19-year-old lad. Bro, I'm broke. Please help. He only had $200. He invested $200 and he lost it all. He used leverage. I'm up 10 times on Tesla. Yeah, but let's show some love and support. JX, thank you for being here. Where are you from? What country are you from? This is a family of traders here. We're here to help and support everyone. So let's please show love and respect to everyone. Daywood is a 19-year-old lad. He had $200. He used leverage. He's lost it. And just wait for a little moment there, Sam, to catch that dip there and buy those 10 shares again. Right? Anytime now is good. Anytime now is good, because don't forget, you've now got an extra $1. You've got extra buying power because you've won $1. So you are up. But Daywood, I'm from India. Daywood is from India. Well, thanks ever so much. Can everybody please welcome our new member? He's here from India. Please, everyone. I'm from the UK, Cornwall in the UK. My studio is here in Texas, in the United States of America, in Dallas. Let everyone please put your cities and countries in. We want to support Daywood, a young chap. He had $200. He's been liquidated. He used leverage. He made $1. Congratulations, buddy. Absolutely. And now Sam is going to do it again, and he's going to grow. This is the best strategy. Keep at the grind. This is how I grew my portfolio from 5,000 to 58,000 in 5 months. This is how we've done it. There you go, Sam. Now's a good time. Now's a good time. And don't care if it goes lower. Doesn't matter. You're buying it in lower. You do it again. Let us know what you're doing, Sam. This is good news. This is great. This is how to do it. So my portfolio has gone from 5,000 to 58,000. We're down 10,000 now. We're having a correction. I've done all this with just $5,500. No more money invested in it. And I've never borrowed money. And this strategy works. He's making money on Tesla. Congratulations, Sam. You're doing it spot on. Right, there you go, Sam. It's just starting to pop up again. Did you do it? And this is my real money. What you're seeing here is my real money. I am sharing my real trades, my real money with you. Nico has just joined us. What should I do with 50 that I invested in Bitcoin about 5 hours ago? Bitcoin is not something to spend. It's something to long-term invest. But this is my Bitcoin position. You've got a great time to buy it, by the way. Absolutely brilliant. I have currently got $5,500 invested. I've made a lot of money from Bitcoin. I've sold it several times. I sold it at 60. I sold it at 70. I bought back in. Now is a great time to buy Bitcoin. Just wait. Bitcoin will stress you out if you don't know what you've bought in. If you know what you've bought in, relax, be calm, leave it alone, and just wait it out. Wait till you've made a profit. Take some off the top, but let it go all the way to 100,000. It will. But don't get greedy and think, well, I got to sell it now. You know, just make some profit as you go. Great stuff. This is absolutely awesome. Alexander, that's what you want to think. He's actually going down. Alexander, that's what they want you to think. It's actually going down. What's that? What's going down? Bitcoin is going down. It's actually, oh, you meant to say up. Yeah. Bitcoin is being manipulated now by the whales. Absolutely, and it's gonna go parabolic when it will sweep down and come up. That's what's going to happen here. Where can I sell the Bitcoin, and which price should I put my? Where can I sell the Bitcoin? What do you mean? Where can you sell it? Wherever you bought it, the best place to buy it is, of course, on Robinhood. That's by far the best place to buy a Bitcoin. It's the cheapest way to buy a Bitcoin. And you sell it on Bitcoin, but right now I wouldn't be selling it. I'd be leaving it alone. Okay, I got a warning from Robinhood saying I use my 3 or 4 trades. Doesn't matter, Sam. Doesn't matter. You do have more than $25,000 in your brokerage, correct? If you have more than that, it doesn't matter. It's because you have got pattern trading turned on. You can turn that off. It doesn't matter if you've got $25,000 or more. You can trade 100 times a day. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's there to protect you from too many trades. If you don't know what you're doing and you're buying and you're losing money all over the place, it's there to protect you. But don't fear it. Mine is turned off. I'm flagged as it doesn't mean you're a bad person. All the traders trade thousands of times, hundreds of times a day. Not an issue as long as you have. No, I'm only $2,000. Okay. Then you might have a limit then. You need $25,000 in your account. So just leave it now then if that's the case. Just calm down for a little while and it will go off. In a couple of days, those trades will fall off. But once your portfolio gets over 25,000, you can trade as many times as you want. All right? It's just a thing right now. So anyway, what is... anyone? Daywood is asking a question. What's he asking? Is there anyone who can help me? I can show you guys the proof too. I came here for help. Well, listen, Daywood, if you've lost all your money because you borrowed money, we can't get back the money you've lost, all right? What we can do is offer you support, listen, be part of our family and learn how. JX is, yes, I can help. What do you mean you can help, JX? You can't just give the guy free money. What are you saying you can help? We need to be honest and truthful here, guys. Daywood, look, let me give you a few things, Daywood. Let me give you our Discord group. You can talk to the team off air and get some proper, honest advice. I'll make sure it's honest. I will ban anybody that talks nonsense, right? There is the Discord group. If you go to my all links button, I'm going to give it to you now. I have lots of brokerages that give me free money. Hang on. JX, what do you mean you're giving away free money? No one's giving away free money on this show apart from me, because I give away money from my brokerages that I get referred to. Daywood, be careful, be very vigilant. No one comes in here and gives free money. The only person who gives free money in here is me, because I have referrals from brokerages. They pay me to refer people, and I give back the money I get. I genuinely give free money that I get. It's not me giving money away. It's money they pay me and I give to you guys. Okay? Nobody's just going to come in and give you free money out of their own pocket, other than it's money I get and give to you. So that's true. But it's Daywood's birthday. Right, okay. Okay. Well, if you want to give some free money to Daywood, that's brilliant. I don't think that's going to happen, but there you go. You can decide for yourself. But what can I do to get that money back? You can't do anything to get that money back. That money you lost has gone. Okay? What you need to do now is reinvest and earn money again. But the money you've lost has gone. Okay? You've now got to make new money, new opportunities. And JX said, I'll show you a trick. There's no trick. There's no free money in this world unless someone genuinely has, like me, genuinely has brokerage money that's given to me as payment for referring you. I share with you. That's free money. No one's coming on here just giving free money. I hate to see people get liquidated. Anyway, if you go to, here's an opportunity, right? Genuine opportunity. If you open a Robinhood account, I'm giving you the link right now, you get a free stock. There's a free stock. You can sell that. There's real money. If you get eTORO, I'll give it to you right now. They give me $40 for you doing it. I give back $10. There's $10 of free money. COINBASE. If you set up COINBASE using my account, you will get $10 of Bitcoin. That is real. On COINBASE, you can earn about $20 by doing the earn and learn. I do the earn and learn. Sam, have you bought back in Robinhood? Sam, good time to buy back in Robinhood again now. That is real. WEBULL. If you use this account here, there are 5 free stocks to get. I am giving you that referral right now. This is all real and genuine. My channel is approved and monetized by YouTube. What I'm telling you is honest and true. Be careful what you hear from anyone else in the chat. Please, please, please. And we don't want to hear you get liquidated again. Coinbase is not in India. Okay, we'll try all the other ones. And here is also my podcast and Discord. You can chat to the team, and you can also listen to my radio show, and we will do the very, very best, honestly, to help you. We do not want to hear of anyone watching our show being given bad advice and losing money. We do not give financial advice. We just share our opinions with you. But this is my real money, what I have really done. And this isn't a fake account. This is my real cash. From 5,000 to 58,000. We're back at 48 now because we're having a correction month and we're just holding on. All right. Okay. I'm going to sip my tea and we're just going to hear very, very quickly from my sponsors, and I'll be right back in just 10 seconds from now. You can click skip the ad. See you back in just 10 seconds from now. Here we go. There we go. Okay, back in hood at 1927. Wonderful stuff. Can everybody tell me that time? Did they see the ad this time? I'll be interested to know if you saw the ad that time. Right. Sam, he's now bought back in at 1927. Okay. Now, this could keep going, but don't be concerned about that. Now, remember, Sam, look at your buying in, and it will show that you bought in 10 at 1927. So forget the other stocks you have. You're now looking at those 10 shares. Now, you might get locked in like I have done, because I'm 2138, and I can't get out right now, so I'm waiting. Another stock to hit on... now down $2. Yeah, I'm disappointed too, but it's an opportunity. Remember, you don't make money when stocks are going up. You're just getting profits realized. You make money when it goes down. You make money when it goes down, because this is the time you build your foundations. This is the time you invest for the future profits. When things are going up, you just sit back, it's just going up. This is the time you make money, when it goes down. And that's exactly what Sam... Now, Sam, you've already made $1. So if this next one is down $1, you've had a wash. You're at zero. You've not lost any money, right? So you bought a 1927. You're down 7 cents right now. So basically now you're virtually... if it goes down to 137... Sorry, if it goes down to 1917, you are where you were before. So that is called managing risk. You've now eliminated risk. You've built $1 of insurance into your investment. That's what you've done. You've built $1 of insurance into your investment. All right. I didn't see the ad this time. I'm on my laptop. Yep. Yeah. What it does is YouTube is very, very clever how it works. It will distribute ads differently. It doesn't want to do it. If you've just watched an ad somewhere else, you popped in for another video, you came in, it won't show you an ad again in a few moments' time. It's very clever how it works. There's a lot more to it than that. I can do any kind of work. Well, Dayward, I can't give you a job. I'm in Texas, but Muzanella has a breaking news story here, and we want to bring it in. Open in a new tab. I've got to stop saying that. I don't know why I say that, but I just do. All right, okay. Let me go over to the other screen a minute. These are all my super chats for the show. These are going to be on the video later. So if you want to get your name on the video, if you do a super chat, your name will be on the video later on. Let me bring in Muzanella's breaking news. It's about Ethereum and Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. This will be interesting to many of you. Here we go. Oh, this is good news. This is good news. This is good news, everybody. This will be good. Look at this. Robinhood partners with Chain Analysis ahead of crypto wallet launch. This is good. We are bottoming out on Robinhood. It will go parabolic. I've said it will. This is the sort of news we've been waiting for. Boy, if you could keep buying these dips, this is great. This is great. Thank you very much for sharing that with us. Look at this. Blockchain analysis firm Chain Analysis will be partnering with Robinhood to provide data and tool for trading in advance of the app launching its crypto wallet. In a Monday announcement, Chain Analysis said the integrated partnership with Robinhood Crypto will help the trading app meet compliance requirements ahead of the launch. Its crypto wallet expected to roll out to all users early in 2022. All right. According to Robinhood, the platform will adopt chain analysis known Know Your Transaction, the firm's monitoring compliance solution. In addition to chain analysis reactor, its investigation software. The trading app also said its teams would be using chain analysis certification programs to achieve compliance. This is great news. This is coming down the pipe. This is directly from Muzanella. Thank you very much for sharing that. Just out. Sam said, thanks for letting me know I was up in Tesla. I was focused on Hood and didn't see it. You helped me make a little bit of profit, mate. There you go. Robinhood is now picking up. Tesla's done okay. Remember, it's all about percentages, Sam. It's not about value of money. It's about percentages. And Hood is lifting up. Right. Now then, you just bought in again at 1927. Sam, you're about to make another dollar on Robinhood. That means you've now made $2. Right, there you go. Right now, if you sell right now, you've made another dollar, which means you've made $2 on Robinhood, which means you have got 10% of a free stock of Robinhood today. That's what you've earned. You built in insurance. Remember, it's easy to make money on the stock market. It's difficult to keep it if you don't manage your risk, if you borrow money, if you leverage, if you do all kinds of risky trades. This is about building an insurance, about protecting your assets, protecting your profits. Sam made $1. If he sold now, he'd make another $1. Now you might go, okay, I'll sell, make another $1, or I will let that one grow a bit more. We've just had some good news coming out. Remember, how to make money is to be ahead of the news. Buy the news, sell the rumor. So right now you're buying the news. Maybe stay in, because this could pop up once this news feeds around the system, and you will realize a greater profit. Me personally, what I would do in such a day like today is I'd be more than happy to make $1 each time I traded. Remember, them as you go on, you get more and more value into your stock. Your portfolio gets bigger. Once you hit that 25,000, you'll be able to trade as much as you like. Right now, you will be limited, but you will be able to trade more once you hit 25,000. It's why, you remember you told me the other day you have more invested in crypto on another platform. Why I have all my money invested in Robinhood, because I want 25,000 to be able going to hold so I don't get flagged. Nothing wrong with getting flagged once you got $25,000. It doesn't mean you're a bad person or anything. It just means you're a trader. It's there to protect you. It's there to protect you from losing all your money. All right? For people who are gambling, people who are doing risky trades. What you've done here today is not risky. What you've done here is educated, and it's perfect. Exactly what I would be doing myself if I had the money right now. I'm just sitting waiting, like Muzanella is quite possibly, and that's what it's all about. So congratulations to what you're doing. It's perfect. Don't overdo it, Bill. Don't overdo it. Yeah, if you can get your money, your crypto, sold and buy into Robinhood, which is where you should have bought the crypto in the first place, because it's cheaper. I don't believe, I know it is. It's cheaper to buy crypto in Robinhood, no question about it. If you buy in there, you'll get your value up to 25,000. You can trade all the time. You can trade as many times as you want. That's what I would do. That's why you don't want lots of brokerages with 10 grand here, 10 grand there. You can't take advantage of the trades. All right. Right now, this is a day trader's dream. Until you're fully invested like I am, and then you can't do anything else. There you go. It's just It just starting to show dipping again. Did you sell did you sell and take the dollar profit? Oh no, you didn't, did you? You said no, I'm not doing it anymore. I don't want to get flagged. Okay. All right. All the stocks still falling. Massive sell-offs today. It's all ridiculous. It's all overreaction. Ethereum and Bitcoin, yep, everything. Wow, nearly 6% wiped out today. This is not anything to do with anything. This is just overselling. That's all this is. I wouldn't be concerned. I'll just keep calm. And remember, you can't lose money if you've not borrowed money. The value of your stocks is down. That's fine. It will recover. Look at that. Yeah, we've got one almighty. Well, it's been a month now, isn't it? It's been a month of all of this. Rivian's doing well today. Everything's dropping back now, though. Virgin Galactic's now 14.85. Yeah. Lucid doing well. Rolls-Royce down now 5.2%. Everything is falling off a cliff. Robinhood is going down again. So if you'd sold, like I said, Sam, you made another $1 and then you could do it again. Remember, you make money when stocks go down, not just when they go up. Oh no, sorry. I keep saying, did you sell again? I keep forgetting about your day trade restrictions. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's why you want to transfer. You want to, but then either transfer your money from wherever it is, COINBASE or wherever it is, into Robinhood. That's what I'd be doing, or sell. But right now you don't want to sell because everything's down. Like, I mean, what's the point? This is a buying market. This isn't a selling market. We've got 23 likes now. If you've just come into the show, smash the like button. If you've not liked the video right now, smash the like button, and that would be absolutely great. Really help the channel out. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. Love to have you here. Can all my traders that are in the live chat let me know that you're here? Because I'm monitoring today how you feel. I've got no reaction from you yet. I want a reaction from all my traders. About the ads. Have we lost people? Are you still busy watching the ads, or are you back in? Because the numbers seem a little bit lower today. Nico is here. I'm here. Sam, yeah, just being patient at the moment. Yep. Can all my traders just come into the chat and tell me they're still here? Because I want to see if we've lost anybody because of the ads appearing. Because today is the very first day we've had ads on the show. Nico is here. Ecamm, I'm chilling. Cool. Thanks, guys. There we go. Let's bring everybody's name. Dave here, but watching the tickers. Okay, cool. Looks like everybody's here. Not too bad at all. I don't know if we've lost anyone yet. Waves. I'm watching you on my 3 screen in your Discord. I'm watching you on 3 screen in your Discord on 2nd screen and trading on 1 other screen. Nice one, Nico. Yeah. Is anybody in the Discord group now having a chat? Let me go and have a look. Yeah, it does seem like we have people in Discord. Right, let's have a look. Where are you? Oh yeah, I've got some chats here. Paddy's just come in and said, what has Paddy said? Hi Martin, good beginning of the week. Hi Patty, this is in Discord right now. There we go. I haven't seen any due to being on my phone. Oh, that makes sense. All good though, watching and working. Sorry for the English. I'm from Slovenia. Nico, welcome very much indeed. Welcome indeed. I'm from the UK, Cornwall in the United Kingdom, but my studio is here in Texas. Welcome to you. So for all of you that are new today, let me give you one button that gives you all the links here to all the free stocks we're giving away, the free Bitcoin, the free referral money, loads of it today. I'm getting more and more offers from companies. They give me money and I give it back to you. One thing that I do also for only my YouTubers. I know people are watching me on TikTok now, Twitter and Facebook, but this is only for those on YouTube. If you're on TikTok, click the icon here, click the profile, and right behind there you'll see my YouTube link. If you want this offer now, this is only for my YouTubers. I actually give away all the referral money I get from referral programs that I can give back to you, like I just explained to you a few moments ago. I also I'm an affiliate for Amazon, and they give me a small commission when you buy stuff. All right, it doesn't cost you anymore. Here is my Amazon shop link. If you use this as a bookmark to Amazon, I give you back 50% of the money they give me. All right? I just PayPal it you, or Apple Pay you, or Google Pay you. But that's only for my YouTube fans. It's not for anybody else. Okay? It's only people who are watching me on YouTube. If you watch me on Facebook and you click on that, I'll get some money, but you won't get anything back from me. You need to be a YouTube fan here in the live chat for me to do that. Yes. CryptoCam, I'm the same. I am all out. I'm exactly the same. All out. Just waiting for things to recover. And if you want to chat with the team, here is the Discord group. But remember what I said. It's all below the all links button I gave you. And if you want to hear the radio show, and if you watch me, listen to me now on our radio show, on our podcast, look below the description and you'll see the link to YouTube and you can be here. And if you're one of my podcast listeners, there's the podcast in the chat right now. And we'd love to welcome you to the live show. All right, CryptoCam. And Nico is from Slovenia. Would all my regular day traders please put your country and city down, because Nico is just is new here today, and it just said I'm from Slovenia, Slovakia, all that area. I've been through all of there. Wonderful place. Right. We're looking at Robinhood now. It's down 4.5% today. We do now seem to be having some resistance or support coming in. It seems to be possibly bottoming out for the day, so we could get some pushback now. I said to you all on Friday that I think we'll get a recovery Monday afternoon, and I think that's what we're going to get. Just clicked on the link you sent and put in my email. Now downloading the app. Wonderful stuff. Okay. Everything is down. Look at today. Look at today. It's down 3, nearly 4%, folks. Sterling, Scotland. Thank you, Sean, for sharing that. Tesla's now down. This is where you want to get 25 grand in your portfolio. Alex Dorber's here. Alex Dorber's here. Welcome, Alex. Lovely to have you here. We got all the team now coming in. Smash the like button, guys. This is great. We got everyone coming in now today. Brilliant. This is a big day today. It's our very first day as a monetized channel. We're a professional channel now, guys. And I'm making a video later on about how to monetize a channel. I got approved in 1 hour. I put the application through on Saturday, and 1 hour after the office opened Monday morning, Alex Dorber's over on my TikTok as well, smashing the like button. Awesome. Thank you very much indeed for that. And I'm making a video, and if you want to be in my video, Oh, there we go. We got NS Ecamm. I think that's a new member to our show. Hi there, I just said hello to you. Welcome to our Discord group. Yeah, if you want to be on our video, I'm making a video later on how to monetize a channel. If you want to be in the video, you can. If you want to support the channel, this is the only chance you'll get to be in this video. If you go into the live chat and you support the channel, the cheapest you can do it is $1, but you will get your super chat come up, and I'm recording that and putting that in the video of how to monetize a channel. You will have your name and you will be in the video of our special premiere how to monetize a channel. So this is what I see, and these are the 3 names I've got. See, look, Bill did it, Muzanella did it, and I did it for myself. If you want to actually have your name up there, and I'm going to record that and put that into the video. You've got until the end of today's show to get your name on the board. How do we get in your video? That's it. Well, just below the live chat, there's a little $, and you can donate from $1, and that'll get your name on the screen, and that's what I'm recording, and that's what I'm going to put in the video. So anyone's name will be in the video forever. So if you want that, that's how to do it. Welcome, Nico. I'm in Fareham in the UK. This is great. Leston Wynn is new. I want to welcome in Leston Wynn. Thumbs up to you. Thank you for being here. Playing a good game of golf there. Where are you from, mate? Is that Istin Wynn? I think I've got that right. Where are you from in the world? Would love to know where you're from. And, oh, Nico's done it. Right. So I can now record that. Leston, was it? That could be, I think that's Leston Wynn. Right, awesome. There we go. Let me go and grab that as a screenshot and a video as well. Nico has just got his name in on the show. He's donated a euro to the show. Let me just record that. There we go. So I'm recording this now, and this is Nico from Slovenia, supported the show. There you go, Nico. You'll be in the video later as well. Thank you very much indeed. I can't because I haven't got no money, Alex Dorr, but that's fine. That's why we're trying to grow on Robinhood here, to make some money. We're all down at the moment, but invest in the right places, buy the dips, and you'll be fine. Just got to believe, you got to know what you're buying into. Don't invest in things you don't understand. Robinhood is now dropped again, so if, Sam, you'd have had $25,000 in your portfolio now, and you was able to continue trading, you would have been able to sell that again and then buy back again. Oh, look at that. Oh, Bill's done it again. Bill's done a big one this time. $6.99. Look at that. Everybody, woohoo! Nico says, I can send you $1 if you send your PayPal. Look at that. What a star he is. He wants to give me a tip on PayPal. I can do that if you want to do that. Of course I can. Here we go. You want to tip me on PayPal? There you go. This is how you tip me on PayPal. There you go. That's very kind of you. That's my PayPal if you want to do that. Thank you very much indeed. I'll put it in the chat as well. It's martyn@martynlucas.com. There you go. Thank you ever so much, everyone today who's supporting the channel. You guys are incredible. Absolutely amazing. Wow, what a day this is. We're all going to grow together. That's what this is all about. All right, Nico, I hope that makes sense to you. Right, let's go back to the trading screen. Robinhood. Nico Saladin, are you talking to me? Question. All right, we got a big chat coming in. This is from BelieverBubble. BelieverBubble has a question for everyone. So let's bring it in. And let's answer his question. Remember, go to the Discord group. And if you go to the Discord group, you can chat off air and ask each other questions. Here we go. If I buy more stock in Hood, will that just get added to my existing stock? And will that then affect the overall percentage I'm down? I hope that last part made sense. That makes perfect sense, and I've had this question in my mind many, many times. So we're going to answer that for you. If I buy more stock in Hood, will that just get added to my existing stock? Yes, it does, but every trade is separate. Every trade is separate, and will it affect the overall percentage I'm down? Correct. It will lower your average. Let me go back to the trading screen and explain it. This information on the screen here is just for information. It's not the full picture. My position says I'm down 33%. That doesn't show the full picture because I bought and sold, made profits. It's where I stand right now. Okay? It's not the full picture of where I am overall. If I've sold out, bought back in again, and so on and so forth. What you need to do to manage your situation perfectly, this information you have here is just a guide. Okay? Just a guide. It shows your average of the shares and so on and so forth. If you buy shares today lower than 28.84, your average will come down. Correct. And that's nice. You want to see that. You want to see your average come down. But if you've ended up making money and buying when it's up, the average will go up again. So it doesn't show the full picture. It's just a guide. But what you need to do to make profit is to manage your trades individually. So you take note and you can look down here on your brokerages. I know your brokerage is not Robinhood, but it's all the same. And it will tell you your history. Now look, my last trade was 15 shares at 21.38. 21.38. So if I sell 15 shares at 21.38, it's a wash. Even though, and if I say it at 21.39, it's a profit. Even though my portfolio says I am down 33%, that doesn't mean to say I lose money on those shares if I sell those shares. Every trade is separate, but they're all bundled up together to give an average. All right, so don't think, well, I'm down overall. Yeah, you're down overall on average of all the stocks, but those 15 stocks are separate. If you sell 15 stocks at 21.39, in my case, I'd make a profit of 1 cent a share. So you just need to look at your history and treat every stock individually. All right, but overall, that's your overall position. And of course, that's going to improve. For example, if I with $2,300 in value, I'm down 33%. If I spent right now $2,800 right now, where do you think my total return would be? Where do you think my total return would be if I spent $2,387? Where would I be right now? Where do you think I'd be right now? I will tell you, I will be minus 15. I'll be minus 15 total rather than minus 33 because I would halve my loss because I'm down 33% now. If I buy that same amount, I would halve that loss. That makes sense? Because I bought the same amount, I would halve the loss. All right? And I can do that on the show. I've done it loads of times where I've gone, all right, I've got $100 here worth of a stock and I'm 10% down. If I buy another $100, I'm 5% down. If I buy another $100, I'm 2.5% down. If I buy another $100, I'm virtually zero now. Not quite, because I'm still got some of it down. So it's like a get smaller and smaller. Make sense? I hope that answers your question. All right, we've got another question here from Alex. How is there with you? Your stay is being doing today? I've been on my day center, mate. Sorry, Alex, I didn't quite understand that. Can you ask that again? I didn't quite get that. Alex, Nico says, quick question. On the link you sent for the $25 for crypto, if I sign up, do I get $25 free? $25. Which one did you do? Right. Right. The crypto.com, you get $25 of USD if you set up there's some sort of account you have to set up. You have to invest so much money into it. I forget what it is. There's different levels. You need to go into the terms and conditions to get the crypto.com money. Coinbase, everyone gets $10 of Bitcoin. Everyone, no, regardless. And what's really good, and I'm going to show you, if you use Coinbase, you can get about $30 by just doing what's called earn and learn. And I do it all the time. I make money, free money all the time. Okay, this is how I do it. I'm going to share it with you right now on Coinbase. Learn and earn. Click this. And then you learn and earn. Look, I earned $5 for doing that. In 1 minute, I earned $5 there, look. Earn $3. Look, these some more lessons. If I click on this lesson right now, I can earn $3 right now. Free money. Yep. This is on Coinbase. Using my referral, you can earn free money with Coinbase. Okay? Just by going through the learn and earn option. And you will end up with free money in your portfolio. Here is the Coinbase referral. I'll give it you now. Remember, all these links are under my all links button. That will give you all of the offers I'm giving everybody. Okay. Uzumaki. You buy one stock at $1, you then buy two stock $50, half a cent, you will have three stock, the average, correct. Bro, I signed up on eTORO. Okay, eTORO, once you fund the account, and remember, you don't have to invest it, you just have to put some money in it. Once the account has been verified and all good, they will inform me, and they will pay me $40, and I will give you $10. I will, and then once it's done, you'll be on the show, and I will tell you it's happened, and then I will ask you to text me, and I will text you back, whether it's PayPal or whether it's Apple Pay, Google Pay, but I will send you $10. But that can only happen once your account is verified. Now, they're depending on what country you're in, they may not. You may not fall under regulations, and they may not give me my referral money. And if they don't, I can't give it to you. But if they do, I will give you $10 of my own money. Yep, that's what will happen. Uzumaki, and you get the learn and earn on Coinbase, which is a super good. Yep, that's great. I do that all the time. How is your day today, Martin? It's been great. Yeah. On the day, yeah, mate. Alex, it's been wonderful today. We got monetized today for the very first time. Fantastic it's been. You can instantly convert into cash or another crypto. Yep, that's right. You can. There are certain restrictions, Uzumaki, though. You need a certain amount of certain crypto to be able to cash out. So I want to be absolutely clear. If you get free money on Coinbase, and you do, you absolutely do. You get free money by doing the learn and earn. You can't always cash it out until you've earned a certain amount. All right? Just be absolutely clear. It's not just free money and then run away. And there are certain restrictions. But yes, you do make money. But just be clear that you have to have a certain amount. Coinbase said you need to buy or sell 100. There we go. There we go. So Sean, here we go. Sean says Coinbase said you need to buy or sell 100 crypto to get the $10. Yeah, a lot of the brokerages will give you money, but you have to invest a certain amount. Of course, you then can sell that certain amount and you make money. Absolutely. There are always limitations to it, but it is real money. But yeah, I mean, they couldn't just give everybody free money without doing anything. They'd all go bankrupt, wouldn't they? Right? They want you to invest. But you can then sell out again. With many of the offers that I've given you today, you don't even need to invest any money. You just need to set up the account. All right? So just be aware of that. All right? Just be aware of that. Okay. Now then, where are we now? Hood is still falling down. So that's why I said to, exactly why I said to Sam, trade that twice. Right now he doesn't have 25,000, so he can't trade indefinitely. You can only trade so many times to protect yourself from day pattern trading. But once you have 25,000 in your Robinhood account, and other brokerages the same, you can trade as much as you like. How much do I have to put in? Every account's different. Every brokerage is different. Daywood. Look at whatever account, whatever. I can't keep track of everyone's brokerages and how much everyone's putting in. Just read the terms and conditions and it will tell you what you need to do. The markets are rough today, but this is an opportunity to make money by buying in. Bitcoin is crashing hard, but it's now rising back up again. The biggest thing I can tell everybody, and it's really important to understand this, is don't invest in anything that you don't understand just because some guy on YouTube tells you to. You need to understand, and if you understand, the reason why it's so important is if you understand, you'll be relaxed, you'll be calm, and you sit back. When I first bought Bitcoin, right at the beginning, I think I put in $100 or whatever, and I was down $5-10. I forget how much it was. I felt sick because I was just following everybody else. And straight away I thought, oh my God, look at my money. Look at it. I lost $10 straight away. And I sold out, so I was down. I actually lost $10. $10 I'll never see again. And then I stood back and calm, and I learned, and I understand what Bitcoin is, and I understand what all these things are. And now I invest with confidence, and I'm relaxed, and I'm calm. And that's important. If you're just following everybody else, you don't understand it, you will react badly, and you will be the only reason you lose money, because you will sell with fear, you will stress, you will borrow money, you will think it's right to borrow money, because if I just buy a bit lower, and if you start behaving like that, then you're behaving like a gambler. We're not gamblers here. We're intelligent, financial investors making educated investments, balancing risk, controlling what goes out. It's easy to make money on the stock market. Easy. But it's not so easy to manage risk. And the biggest problem is yourself with not understanding, not researching, buying with fear, selling with fear, and so on. The purpose of this channel is to provide support for everyone, to be here to talk to other traders who are trading, ask questions in the Discord group, talk to each other, allow me to give you referrals to brokerages and give you the money, some of the money they give me to give you back, so you get as much money as you can for free, but then use that money wisely and invest it wisely so you all make money. I want all my traders to make money, but not all of you will, because not all of you will do the research. Not all of you will be calm, but that's what I want this channel to be. Where are you watching these graphs? I'm using Robinhood. Unless you have a punt on Shiba or Dave Mottram, he's absolutely right. For a laugh, because everybody was buying Shiba, I bought Shiba. It's not an investment. I don't believe it. It's a load of rubbish. But I bought it on COINBASE. I did just to be in it with all the rest of you. And here it is. Here's my Shiba. I repeat, I do not see it as an investment. I see it as a lottery ticket. And there's nothing wrong with buying a lottery ticket. Spending $1 of your money, 0.1% of your money on a lottery ticket is fine. that you know it's a gamble. You know it's a gamble, but that's okay. It's the smallest part of your investment strategy. And yes, I bought Shiba for a laugh, because if it goes up, I will sell it. I won't wait for it to go to $1 million or something stupid like that. If it goes up and doubles my money, 5 times the money, I will sell it. I'll just sell it at some point like that. And that's just a bit of fun. But yes, Dave Mottram is absolutely correct. I did purchase some Shiba, which is not an investment. It's a joke. Just put $100 in Dogecoin. You're gonna be rich. Nico, you just put $100 in Dogecoin. I wouldn't have done that. That's like my Shiba. That's like my Shiba. That's just a bit of fun. I hope that's not your whole portfolio. I hope that's 1% of it, just for fun. That's absolutely fine. But if that's your overall portfolio, then you might become rich. But that to me is like going to a casino and picking red. I'm kidding. I'm joking. Okay. All right. Thank God for that. Anyway. All right. We're coming to the end of the show now today. We're coming to the end of the show. I hope you've all enjoyed it. I hope everyone has smashed the like button. We're going to be back later on for the closing bell. Let's see how we all do today for the closing bell. Thank you ever so much, everybody who gave me a super chat. You're going to be on the video later. This here is the super chat video I'm making later on. So if your name is up there, that's Muzanella, Bill, and Nico. You gave me a tip. Your tip, that video screen right there, will be on my video later on. You have just a couple of minutes left if you want to get your name up on the screen. But I want to thank everyone for being here. We're going to just have a quick break, and then we're going to come back and recap the show and see where we are and do the final thoughts for the day. So I'm going to be back in just 10 seconds from now. Are you ready? Here comes our final break. Don't go away. Be right back. Skip the ad, and we'll do our final thoughts of the day and round up all our shares and build our strategy for this afternoon. All right? I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. All right, there we go. Fantastic. I hope you're still with me. And I've got to get better at that transition. That transition wasn't very seamless. I need to fix that. But anyway, I'll get better at that. It's the first day of doing it. Thank you. Had to watch your reply a few times so I understood. You answered it perfectly. Great. Thank you. I'm glad you got it. It just takes a while to grasp it. I know it's not easy. Hello from Vienna. Hello there. That's Dej Vid Nez official. Wonderful. Love to welcome you to YouTube. Where you're watching on TikTok, you can't actually see anything. My actual show right now is on YouTube. That's where we are right now, and we have a team there. You can see all my trading screens. You see all my free offers. I give people free Bitcoin from the brokerages that give it to me. I give it back to you. But I can only give that to people on YouTube. The link is right here behind the profile button. You'll find my YouTube link. All right, guys. Well, we've come to the end of the show. It's been a tough morning, but if you've managed it right, you would have made money. You would have made money. Remember, you're investing in the value, not the price. Sam made money today. He made a couple of trades, made a couple of bucks, and that's a profit in my book. Congratulations to you. All the markets are down. It's okay. You sit back, relax, wait, have patience. If you're able to buy the dips, then you do. But of course, that's easier said than done. Lucio, hello. It's a bloodbath today, but we've all been here before. Yes, we have. It's fine. Just calm, relax, wait and see. Hood is still falling down. It's a tough day, but I will see you all back this afternoon for the closing bell. Final thoughts of the day is this was a big day. Today, I want to thank my all-time traders for being with me. You've been the greatest. You have been with me from the very beginning. And we got this channel to grow and monetize in record time. Absolutely incredible growth. I thank you all for that. I'm here for everyone. We got approved from by YouTube in record time. We got through the approval process in 1 hour. It's supposed to take a month to get through the referral. They actually review your channel. They did it in an hour. Incredible. So thank you very much indeed. Quick note here. Dave Mottram sold out Lucid earlier and just bought Tesla. So I had a good day. Great. Looking forward to tomorrow now and hopefully making money. You will. Believe a bubble. Just stick with it. Follow the strategy. Be calm, be relaxed, make the right decisions. Let the stock come to you. Don't chase the stock. Let it come to you. When it's right, you buy. When it's right, you sell. Don't feel tied to the stock. I'll see you all back later. Thank you ever so much for being here. Thank you for all your love and support. We're a family that's growing every day. And I'll see you back later on for the closing bell. Let's have a great day. Let's have a great week. Take care of yourselves and each other.